Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to change the default Affiliate Press URL. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. This is the Affiliate Press General Settings page. Affiliate Press provides a default URL change option, allowing you to customize your affiliate URL as per your requirements. Now go to the Affiliate User Panel page. This is the Affiliate Press panel. Here users can view their affiliate details. Now open the Affiliate Links tab. This is the Affiliate Links page. Here you can see the affiliate link, cookie duration, and also generate a new affiliate link. Now go back to the backend, change the affiliate link. Here I have set the WooCommerce shop page, then save the changes. Changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the front end and reload the page. Now open the Affiliate Links tab. As you can see, your affiliate link has been updated.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.